Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily accept Cash App payment. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First we launch the app, make sure you are logged into your Cash App account and then tap on this icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. In this screen all you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom, so let's go ahead and do that. And then here you find this option that says recurring deposits. Go ahead and tap on it. And then turn this toggle on that says auto add cash. You will be taken to the screen. Choose one of these about how often would you like to add cash. Once you choose one from here, just choose what date would you like to start from. Just choose the date and tap on set. Now from here, choose the amount of money that you want to add and then tap on schedule. Now from here, just fill up this information to add your bank using your debit card, and then the cash or the payments will be going through and accepted. What's even better, automatically. And that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you very much for watching.